வணக்கம். தற்போது நேசத்தினுடைய தலைவர் இன்ஜினியர் எஸ் குப்புசாமி வரவேற்புரை நிகழ்த்த அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Distinguished Director Dr. S.R.K. Prasad, our beloved Principal Dr. Prabhakar, heads of departments, present and past faculty members, members of the supporting staff, my dear batchmates, their affectionate family members, members of the press, and student friends. Good morning to one and all. We have all assembled here to participate in our 1980 Students Association meet, aptly called as NASM. On this occasion, we should be proud and remember with gratitude that the foundation of our successful career was laid here. The leadership qualities and self-confidence inculcated in us during our college days has helped us a lot in our successful life. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming our director who has rescheduled his business tour abroad in order to participate in this August function. We are extremely happy and proud to have you with us today, sir, as the institution has grown to such a great stature by your continued guidance, motivation, and focused direction. We welcome you, sir. Our institution is presently signing under leadership of our beloved principal, Dr. Prabhakar. He has been responsible for very many innovations in the campus, which is clearly seen in the increase in number of placements. We are extremely happy to welcome you, sir. It also gives me immense pleasure in welcoming our beloved senior teachers who had taught us the fundamentals, the present heads of departments and faculty members. We are indebted to each one of you because you are responsible for our confidence level and success in our career. I also recall the excellent support provided to all of us by the supporting staff of various laboratories. Indeed, we are grateful to you for all your kind words on confidence level. We are grateful to you for all your kind words and guidance. We also welcome the office staff who were very much helpful during our college days. We welcome you all to the Silver Jubilee reunion. I must congratulate and welcome all my 1980 batchmates for having meticulously planned and currently organizing this unique Silver Jubilee reunion. I extend my warm welcome to all of you and your family members. I am extremely happy to welcome our overseas batchmates for their sincere efforts to join with us to cherish our golden moments. I also extend a very warm welcome to the members of the press, other guests, and students who have responded to our invitation. Before I conclude my welcome address, I would like to give you a small announcement. On behalf of 1980 batch Silver Jubilee reunion, we are glad to inform you that we have decided to install the statue of our founder, Sri V. Rangaswamy Naidu, and develop that particular area and the surroundings. Most likely, it may be placed at the side of our auditorium, between the road and the auditorium. The exact place will be decided after discussing with our beloved principal and director. Finally, I welcome once again one and all for this grand function. Thank you.
Now, presentation of bouquets. I request Mr. Kirtivasan to present a bouquet to our beloved director, Dr. S.R.K. Prasad.
Engineer M. Sadasivam. I request you to adorn the director with a shovel. Now I request Mr. Ramesh Kumar to present the shawl to our director. Engineer Palisamy, A. Palisamy. Engineer A. Palisamy, முதல்வர் அவர்களுக்கு பொன்னாடை போர்த்துகிறார். எங்களுடைய நினைவுகளை எழுத்துக்களில் வடித்த இந்த நேசம் விழாவின் மலரை இன்ஜினியர் சுதந்திரன் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு கொண்டு வருமாறு அன்புடன் வேண்டுகிறோம். We request the director to release the ceremony and we request our principal to receive it.
Now, we request Engineer P. Bhaskaran, Secretary NESAM, to present a report on our reunion meet.
Our dear President Kuppusamy, our beloved Director Dr. S.R.K. Prasad, our Principal Dr. Prabhakar, professors, lecturers, trainers, my dear 1980 batchmates and their family members, a very warm good morning to all. It is a report. NESAM spreads. First thought. We all know this year, 2005, marks the completion of 25 years since our graduation from CIT, making it a time for celebration of Silver Jubilee reunion. When we think where we are now professionally and socially, it is even more significant that the foundation was laid in this very institute for 5 years between 1975 to 1980. We record our sincere gratitude to the correspondent and founder principal, director, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff of CIT then and now for all their efforts to make us successful both in life as well as in making this dream of reunion, NESAM, a reality. The source, Sangamam. Our reunion work started in the year 2004 itself at the Sangamam, a mega get-together organized by our CIT Alumni Association Trichy chapter. In that function, our seniors gave their valuable address about the reunion meets. With the ideas, our batchmates started planning. Everyone took a vow to locate